Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to record a simple look today. I'll start off with the Infallible Matte Lock Primer. Just put that all over the face. Alright, so we're going to use, I'm going to use this corrective concealer from Motives in the color, I think it's Amber. And we're going to use this to spot treat the places, you know, that need a little extra coverage. I'm just going to use my fingernail and put that in those places. Because we're not going to do full on foundation today, but I can't just do powder because of certain things on my face. I still want a flawless face, it's just not with that full makeup look. And then I'm also gonna do a combo using the LA Girl ProConceal and Pure Beige, which I need some more. I went to the beauty supply store and got light Ivory, but I forgot to pick up some more of this Pure Beige. I'm going to let that dry just a little bit because with the LA Girl ProConceal, I feel like if you let it sit and thicken up a little bit, you get more coverage. So I'm just going to let it sit just for a few minutes or so and then we'll blend it out. Okay, now that we have those spots concealed, we're going to go ahead and set the concealer in place with setting spray. Because we don't want that to move as we're applying our face powder. Sorry guys if I seem so mellow. I just woke up and my daughter, the oldest, is 19. So we're going to go have breakfast birthday dinner today. So I didn't want to go all out on the makeup today. Alright, so I'm going to take the Sacha Buttercup and Light, and then we're just going to press that into the areas we just concealed. Alright, so now I'm going to go into with my compact powder, and we're just going to press that all over the face. So this is like our foundation, just to give us that flawless finish. Alright, so I'm going to conceal, usually I conceal with the Pure Beige, but since I didn't use full-on foundation, I'm just going to use the light Ivory to conceal my under eye area. Because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. Because I decided to stay up and watch YouTube, so alright, we're going to blend this out and then set it with the Sacha Buttercup. Alright, for my brows, I'm going to go ahead and use the Benefit, the 4-in-1, I forgot the full name, 4-in-1 Defining and Highlighting Brow Pencil. I have it in the brown black light, and I'm going to just use the darker shade to fill in my brows. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the brush I usually use to put on my brow powder. I'm just going to use that to blend out that pencil. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and contour, guys. So I'm going to use a 3-in-1 highlight contour kit from Motives. And I'm going to mix these two shades right here. Alright, for my blush, I'm going to go into the Afterglow palette and use this shade here. No. We're going to use Beam right here. Alright, we're going to go back in with that Beam color and just put a little bit in the under eye area. Now I'm going to spray our face with Evian. While that's drying, I'm going to go into the Glow Pro Dawn Highlighting Kit. And we're going to use this shade here, Golden. And we're going to pack that onto our eyelid. And I'm going to go into the Broken One Stellar, and we're going to use Interstellar right here. Maybe today I'll fix this, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. We're going to put that into the inner corner. Alright, so let me put my lashes on and mascara, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have my lashes on, and guys, I forgot to put highlight on my face. Like I put on my eyes, and I guess that was tricking my body into thinking that we had put it on the face, but we didn't. So now we're going to finish the lips and then we're done. This is my favorite, one of my other favorite lip liners. This is from Ruby Kisses in the color Roasted Chocolate, I believe. Sorry, Roasted Coffee. I don't know why I want to keep calling it Roasted Chocolate. It's like a light brown shade, but it has like yellow undertones in it. And this pairs very nicely with the lip bar. I got the lip gloss in First Lady. Alright guys, and there's our look. We are complete. Something really simple, fast. Hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this here. I will post pics of my complete look with my hair did. So you guys can get the full effect. But yeah, I hope you enjoy your day when you're watching this. Enjoy your week. Enjoy the rest of the year. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.